Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Trace Tow tool in LiDAR360. In the Vector Editor module, click on the editor, then choose New Vector File Edit or select Vector File to continue editing an existing file. Activate the Trace Tow tool. Check Show Detection Region. Set the maximum size for the detection area. Move the mouse to the region you want to detect and click the left mouse button to trace tow. Additionally, you can also set the grid size to cover the pile and set the minimum vertical change according to the height of the pile to obtain more accurate extraction results. When there is some missing data in the extraction range, check missing data to sacrifice efficiency to extract a more complete tow line. The software also allows you to apply a smooth operation to the extracted tow line. Click the default button to restore all parameters to their default settings. Once the trace tow extraction is complete, save the editing results and click End Edit to finish. The extracted trace tow vector elements can be used directly for volume measurements. That concludes introduction to the Trace Tow tool. Thank you for watching.